Software applications for business. Before taking this course, I was somewhat familiar with software applications. From a young age, I would create PowerPoints, whether it was for school or persuading my parents into getting me a new toy or a pet. I found it very useful and fun. In high school, I had taken a computer applications course that taught us about Microsoft and Excel. However, we did not learn it as extensively as in software applications for business. I never really considered myself to be the most tech-savvy person and believe that I have benefited from this course. I had already known a few class concepts within PowerPoint and Excel. In PowerPoint, I knew how to insert a header and footer, create smart art, insert charts, insert page breaks, and insert pictures. In Excel, I had known how to create different charts like pie charts, bar graphs, and line graphs. I also knew the minimum and maximum formulas. A concept that I found most useful was inserting citations within Word. I did not know that you could put in all of the information and it would create citations and bibliographies for you. I have already used this for multiple classes and it works well. I found Snipping Tool was very useful too. I am not able to screenshot on my laptop and have used Snipping Tool for this when necessary. Electronic calendars is another useful software application. This has many purposes: work meetings, meetings with professors, and even with students for group projects. Spreadsheet software is useful because you can create charts, time logs, and in the future you can incorporate spreadsheets into your business when dealing with work schedules, finances, etc. We also learned how to write professional business documents. This is important to know when you are emailing professors, bosses, and other possible ventures. This course is very helpful, relates to future careers and work assignments, and allows you to stay up to date on the latest software applications since they're updating all the time. While taking software applications for business, I appreciated that each of our assignments had step-by-step instructions to ensure success. I also thought it was nice to have class time to work on assignments. It was very time efficient, and if you had issues with something, Peggy or a classmate were there to help you out. One thing that I would possibly change is adding a group project or two into the course. Some software applications can be confusing, and it is nice to work on things with others in those situations. Thank you for your time.